Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why, despite all our scientific advancements, the common cold still has us sniffling and reaching for tissues year after year? Let's dive into the sneezy world of this pesky virus and uncover some intriguing facts. First off, what exactly is the common cold? It's not just one virus, but a tag team of viruses, with the rhinoviruses being the most notorious culprits. These little troublemakers are incredibly adaptable and mutate faster than a superhero in a comic book, which is why creating a one-stop cure is as tricky as nailing jelly to a tree. Now, why does the common cold love us so much? Well, it's because humans provide the perfect home sweet home for these viruses. They thrive in the upper respiratory tract, where it's nice and cozy, just the right temperature and humidity to party all year long. And here's a kicker. Every time you catch a cold, your body learns and adapts, creating antibodies to fight off that specific version of the virus. Sounds great, right? But remember how I said these viruses mutate? By the time you meet them again, they've changed their outfits, and your immune system might not recognize them at first. It's like playing a never-ending game of whack-a-mole at the carnival. So are we just doomed to sniffle forever? Not necessarily. Scientists are constantly at work trying to outsmart these shape-shifting bugs. They're exploring broad-spectrum antivirals and even vaccines that could potentially cover all bases. But until then, we're stuck with grandma's chicken soup, loads of fluids, and maybe a day off work to binge watch your favorite series. In conclusion, the battle against the common cold is ongoing, but it's armed us with a better understanding of viruses and immune systems. Plus, it gives us an excuse to take a little break now and then, right? Stay healthy, and don't forget to wash those hands, especially during cold season. Catch you in the next video, where we'll explore another fascinating topic. Bye for now. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.